everyone, my name is S. Roy and I am currently studying at Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology, and I am excited to share my new project, which is AD Agent, which stands for LLM powered multi-agent framework for end-to-end anomaly detection. So before I explain about the project, let's quickly understand what is anomaly detection means. Imagine you are having a very huge large data set like a strange transaction in banking, a cyber attack in network logs, or an unexpected pattern in medical reports. These unusual activities are called anomalies. Detecting them early is very important to avoid financial losses, security breaches, or even save lives. So, as we understood what anomaly detection is, so now let's understand why this project is needed. So, in real life, building anomaly detection system is complicated and requires deep programming knowledge. Many industries face challenges like technical barriers, time delays, and high cost when trying to set up them. That's why where my project comes in. So let's understand what is AD agent in simple terms. AD agent is like a very small smart assistant for anomaly detection. You can simply tell in simple terms in English what you want to detect, and it's the data set. Then it figures out the type of data set by itself, chooses the best tools for, and model automatically generates and tests the code. Autom- and it optimizes it for the best results. All this happens without the user having to know any complex programming. As you can see in the PPT, we have shown that high stacks of missed anomalies. Knight Capital of 22 in 2012 lost $440 million in just 45 minutes due to an unchecked anomaly in their trading. And another in 2013, Target Data breach in which they lost over 200 million in damages for a cybersecurity breach. As friends, we have discussed about what does AD agent do and what does it mean. So now let's dive into the project. So we are now introducing the AD agent automating anomaly detection. AD agent is an LLM powered multi-agent system designed to democratize anomaly detection. It transforms natural language instructions into fully executable anomaly detection pipelines, bridging the gap between user intent and complex data science libraries. As seamless integration, AD Agent consolidates popular AD libraries like Pyod, which have multivariant, and Pygod, which uses graph, and TSLIB, which uses time series data, into a single cohesive workflow, empowering non-experts as built specialty for users without extensive programming knowledge or deep familiarity with AD libraries, modular and extensible. Its flexible architecture allows for easy incorporation of new libraries, models, and data models, ensuring future adaptability. Two-tier memory system feature a short-term memory for immediate session context and a long-term memory for catching previously acquired knowledge, enhancing efficiency and reducing redundant lookup. So we are going to discuss about the business problem barriers to ID adoption. Despite its critical importance, anomaly detection faces significant barrier to widespread adoption and efficient implementation across industry. Scalability changes as AD adapting pipelines to a new datasets or modalities is often manual and time consuming, hindering enterprise level development. And second is time and cost inefficient as manual pipeline creation is prone to errors and consume valuable resources, delaying critical insights. Next is fragmented ecosystem. The need to manually switch and convert data between different AD libraries like example Pyod, Pygod, TSLIB creates operational friction. And fourth is technical barriers. Utilizing existing AD libraries demands deep knowledge of data formats, APIs, and complex processing steps, limiting accessibility. These challenges collectively restrict the rapid development of anomaly detection solutions, especially in sectors where agility and quick insights are paramount. So friends, now we are going to discuss the most interesting topic as how the AD agent works and what is the workflow of it, so on. So you may have all these doubts. Now I am going to clarify it one by one. So first of all, the AD agent streamlines the entire anomaly detection workflow from initial user intent to optimize model execution without requiring manual intervention for library specific details. First is intent and data parsing, next is library and model selection, third is documentation retrieval, fourth is code generation and validation, fifth is evaluation and optimizers. So friends, this is the main architecture of the AD agent, a multi-agent system. AD agent operates through a sophisticated multi-agent framework which each agent specialized in a critical part of anomaly detection pipeline supported by a intelligent two-tier memory system. As multi-agent workflow funnel has of 6 agents. First is processor agent, next is selector agent, third is inform miner agent, and fourth is code generator and reviewer, and fifth is evaluator and optimizer. So, as we have discussed before, what are the types of agents which are involved in the AD agent? So, now we are going to discuss every agent clearly. So, first we have processor agent which process the input and parsing it, detecting data modality, what type of data it is given, and what type of algorithm the user has given. Next is selector agent. As you can see, the selector agent provides the for most appropriate AD library and specific model based on data, characteristic and user intent. Next have the infominer agent efficiently mines documentation, prioritizing cache knowledge for speed. Next have the code generator which generates the code, and we have the code reviewer which reviews the code which is generated by code generator. It runs a loop with code generator and code reviewer. As the code which is generated by code generator, it may have some errors or syntax, so the reviewer is going to review it and send it again to the generator for generating a new code and with better value and correct code. There is going to be loop between them. And next we have evaluator agent which evaluates the given code and out gives the comprehensive performance matrices like AUROC and the F1 score. So now we are going to discuss the compelling experimental results, key performance insights. First is model selection performance. LLM chosen model consistently matched or nearly matched the best performing models in terms of AUROC or F1 score. And next is long-term memory benefit. As web searches for model information average 10 to 12 seconds and cost zero point 0.0 per dollar per call. In contrast, cache lookups were instant and free, highlighting significant efficiency gains. Next is optimizer import impact. For example, the optimizer agent improved AUROC from 0.9450 to 0.9779 from an AE1 SVM model on the cardio dataset, demonstrating substantial performance enhancements. Versatile use cases across industries. AD agents is a flexibility makes it applicable to avoid wide range of scenarios from academic research to critical production environment across diverse industries. 1. Researching and benchmarking. Ideal for researchers working with labeled data sets and required rapid evaluation of model performance with various train and test splits. It accelerates experiment and comparative analysis. Next, productive and unlabeled data enables one-pass anomaly detection on real-world, unable data streams crucial for operational environment where ground truth is often unavailable. So, as we have discussed, what is AD agent, how it works, what it does, what are the use cases of it, and here are the key takeaways and future directions. So, first, AD agent represents a significant leap forward in anomaly detection, making advanced capability accessible and efficient for a broader audience. One is simplified complexity, next is robust and reliable, means achieving high pipeline success rate and effective model selection. Third is modular and extensible, designed for future growth, allowing easy integration of new libraries. And we have the future enhancement as one is expand coverage, increase means increase supported libraries, data modalities, and anomaly detection techniques. And second is conversational reinforcement, implementing advanced natural language interaction for intuitive pipeline modification. And third is cloud deployment, develop secure, scalable cloud-based AD agent environments for enterprise use. Next is cost-aware planning. Integrate mechanism for optimizing LLM API calls to manage operational cost. And the last one is open source ecosystem. Foster a community-driven open source environment for collaborative development. And this is the AD agent workflow and the uses and the key takeaways and future directions we are going to implement. Thank you for the listening to the video. Thank you all. And I thank my mentor and my teammates for doing this.